Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to make corn on the cob, and without any further ado, let's hop into it. So I'm starting with cleaning the corn, and this is very easy to do because as you can see the corn comes basically prepackaged in its own leaves and you just need to peel them off. And afterwards you also need to clean off this corn silk that it has on it. And let me just finish with cleaning all these corns, and afterwards I will show you how you can see if your corn is good for boiling or not. And this is also an easy way to check the corn in the supermarket before you actually buy it. So basically you press your fingers against one of the seeds, and if you see it pop like this and it's also milky from the inside like this, then it's absolutely perfect for boiling. If it's hard, then it's not that good and you need to boil it longer. I will be using my trusted pressure cooker to boil the corn, and I recommend you to use a pressure cooker as well because it will be ready more faster than with a normal pot. And before I put in the corn, I basically need to make a nest out of these corn leaves so that it's not burning to the bottom of the pot. And after I'm finished with laying the leaves on the bottom of the pot, then I just need to put in the corn. And as you can see, the corn is not fitting in holes, so I need to break them in half. And after this, I'm just putting one on top of the other. And to give it a nice finish, I'm just putting a couple of leaves on top of it. And there is no specific reason why I'm doing this. I am doing this just for the looks of it, so it's not mandatory. And after this, I'm just pouring water over it. I'm putting the lid on and it can go on the fire. And I'm sure that you noticed that I'm not using any salt while I'm boiling the corn. And this is no mistake because the salt is actually hardening the corn while it's boiling. So it's better to leave it out at this point. In my case, it took half an hour for the corn to boil in this pressure cooker, and let me quickly take off the lid so that you can see how it looks like. And let me tell you, the smell of this is unbelievable. The camera also fogged up, but it will recover in a second. And if you ever smelled freshly boiled corn, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And now I'm just simply serving it on a plate. And let me just show you how soft it is by poking it with this fork. And as you can see, it has the perfect softness. This will just melt in your mouth exactly like butter. And speaking of butter, this is also the best way to eat corn on a cob, with butter. You just take a piece of butter like this and you just simply rub it on the corn. Exactly like this. You simply just rub it on and it will instantly melt from the heat of the corn. You just turn it around and rub it on all sides of it. And when you're done with the butter, then you just need to salt it to your liking. And this is basically it. This is how I make corn on the cob, and I will leave you with this mouth-watering image with the butter melting on the corn. And of course, like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, have a great day. Bye.